Greetings to Georgia's 11th Congressional District. Every day, many of you write to me on a broad array of important issues that are facing our country, and recently many of you have expressed serious concerns regarding the systematic targeting of Tea Party groups by the IRS. I'd like to take a moment to answer one of these questions in particular that came to me from Diana of Atlanta. As a Tea Party supporter and fiscal conservative, she asked, "What is my risk as an individual citizen that I could be selected for an audit?" Diana, that is such an important question and is representative of the current sentiment of mistrust of the IRS that Americans are all feeling as a result of their outrageous violations. In order to restore trust, I have called on President Obama to appoint a special prosecutor to investigate this disturbing situation. Based on reports of widespread misconduct that have already come to light, we absolutely cannot expect the agencies under scrutiny to provide an honest investigation of themselves. That's the fox guarding the henhouse. This is a scandal that shakes the very core of our most sacred constitutional principles, and we cannot leave any stone unturned if we're able to restore integrity to our federal agencies. Furthermore, it is important that we prosecute the individuals who perpetrated these egregious violations to the fullest extent of the law. As you may have heard in reports, the IRS Director of Exempt Organizations, who oversaw this political targeting, refused to resign. Instead was placed on paid $180,000 a year administrative leave the very next day. This is absolutely unacceptable. The law demands that employees in her situation be terminated without pay if they violate constitutional rights with respect to taxpayers. Last month, I wrote to the acting commissioner of the IRS asking for him to explain why this director, amongst other employees, has not yet been terminated. The IRS has betrayed taxpayer trust, it has violated the First Amendment, and continues to raise a host of concerns about the integrity of executive agencies. Who was aware? When were they told? And exactly how far up the chain of command does the blame lie? These questions must be answered in the coming months to ensure Diana's and all of America's unalienable rights. But my constituents may rest assured that I have made returning integrity to the IRS one of my top priorities, and I will not rest until those responsible for this partisan gamesmanship are held responsible. The American people deserve assurances that this type of discrimination and violation of First Amendment rights will not be tolerated. If you have any questions about my ongoing investigation, please don't hesitate to contact my office with your questions or visit my website at www.gingrey.house.gov. Thank you.